Alright, deep breath for me. All the way out. Beautiful. Nice. Good. This deep breath for me. Good. Perfect. Same thing, other side. So one thing we're also going to do is we're going to work on our neck, and we're going to do the general as well. But we're going to loosen up just a couple of visits in a row first. Deep breath. All the way out. Good. Perfect. Awesome. Your favorite. Nice. And as you can tell, her ears are turning bright red. That means the blood's going up. That's a good thing. Beautiful. All the way out. Beautiful. There it is. This side up for me. Hello. All the way out. Nice. Very good. Let's go face up for me. Beautiful. Boom. Okay.
Gently pull upwards. How does it feel?
Oh, it feels relaxing.
Awesome. Now the pressure. So how do you feel now?
I can't feel my body.
Oh, one crack. Damn it.
Oh, it's a certain crack.
Let your breath out. We get T9. Okay. Inhale. Ooh, that's good. Inhale. Big one. Up. Oh yeah. Inhale again. Inhale again.
Breathe in. Breathe out.
Обираме лъвта и с много леко движение се прави това нещо. Няма хамалска работа. Стискам хубаво широко с всяко млячната става отзад. Обираш лъвта и наместваш.
Днеската добре тук.
Това. Изпираме фунг. Това. Lascia si operare.
Con un buon appoggio e si mobilizza. Mettiamo una leggera tensione e un piccolo movimento di...
Acredito que o wrestling, né? Porque ele é um cara que uma das pessoas é o mais fácil que eu conheci lá na vida.
Yeah, you can feel all this tension here. Just let it go. Good. Rest right here. Good. There we go. That was better. Good. Okay.
Eccoti qua, sei a posto. Sempre. Anche qua. Sei libero.
Exhale. Good, 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 good. Big breath in again. And exhale. Good.
Oh yeah, boy, that was perfect. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh boy, that was perfect. I'm gonna have this right under your occiput and your mandible. Just like that. Home run.
Yes, sir.
My hand.